How do some people barely touch the books and still get straight A's while you're grinding just to get a B? That question used to keep hammering in my head, and I could never figure it out until now. I discovered that the problem isn't a bad memory. It's that you're wasting your time like an idiot and not making the most of it. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 simple things these people do that most others completely ignore or never even think of. And the best part? No more spending endless hours studying at home. You'll walk into class confident, knowing you're already ahead. So let's get started.